Hi, I'm Rimu Chaudhary. Now we can watch how make CloudElactric Spark on Photoshop. Take a new file, Adobe Photoshop default file, and select here black color and background white color, and go to gradient tools. Select this and apply here some gradient. Go to filter menu and render different clouds, and go to image adjustment and go to invert. Okay, again go to image adjustment and levels and type here 0.156 and click OK. Again go to image adjustment and go to hue saturation and click the colorize and just increase this 25 likes and increase this 40 and just move it and move it. Okay, now look, this is a Cloud Spark. Thank you for watching these tutorials.